Properly grounding the antenna assembly and the outdoor electronics will protect the building and personnel from potential electrical faults. It also reduces service-related issues due to the buildup of static electricity and ground loop conditions. We are here today to talk about the grounding aspect of a HughesNet installation. Why we ground is the fulfillment of requirements made by Hughes Network Systems. The grounding aspect is something that needs to be surveyed, and it starts by looking for the service panel or a suitable grounding point. In our case, we have the panel on the outside of the house. Here we have an example of an outdoor enclosure. These are the cables and the ground wire coming in from the outdoor equipment, and these are the cables and grounding for the indoor side. We will finish this part by adding just a small dab of dielectric grease. And it doesn't need to be very much, but it's very important that it be added, especially to the connectors on the radio, because it will keep the moisture out. And the last step is the ground part of this, which is the wire coming to our bonding point. A suitable location will have the ground block within 20 feet of an approved bonding point and as close as possible to the point of entry. Other approved ground bonding points include meter box using front pan clamp, meter box using split bolt, indoor or outdoor service enclosure, metallic service power raceway, building structural steel, and any paint must be scraped away where the clamp is attached. Approved grounding parts are available through Hughes authorized distributors. If the dual coaxial cable being installed includes a 17-gauge messenger wire, it can be used, or a separate 14-gauge minimum green insulated copper wire may be used if it is physically protected from damage where needed. 8-gauge aluminum is discouraged by Hughes since it cannot come in contact with masonry or within 18 inches of soil. Mark the receive cable with red phase tape and the transmit cable with blue phase tape. All ground blocks installed outdoors must be in an approved enclosure. A small amount of dielectric grease must be used on all outdoor RF connectors. And weatherproofing must be used on all exposed outdoor RF connectors. For further grounding information, consult the Hughes broadband requirements for RG6 and RG11 IFL cable connectors, ground blocks, and ground block location. FSB number 050518_01. Please remember that grounding is not an option.